Will investing in the SBI Shubh Nivesh plan help you create wealth in the long run? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is an endowment policy, and you will have the option of choosing your life cover for 30 years or for whole life depending on your insurance needs. And there is flexibility to choose between single and regular premium payment, and there are additional rider options available at an affordable cost. And this plan comes with two options, like endowment option and an endowment with a whole life option, and both the death and maturity benefits will differ based on the plan variant you have opted for. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and if you want to understand a bit more about certain aspects of this policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. Now, as we have a basic understanding about this policy, let us now analyze the IRR of this policy based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make more informed decision. So, for example purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male has invested in this policy and purchased a policy for a sum assured of 20 lakhs for a policy term of 25 years, premium paying term of 25 years, and also an annualized premium for 89,160 rupees. So, to get the sum assured of 20 lakhs, he has to pay the annual premium amount of 89,160 rupees for next 25 years. So, we have depicted the cash flow for the next 25 years based on the policy brochures for an 8% scenario per annum. Just for an example, these are not guaranteed returns. The 4 and 8% per annum scenarios just to indicate worst and best case scenario that this policy can perform at. These are not guaranteed returns. So the IRR calculated at 4% scenario is 3.67%, and for 8% scenario, which is the best case, is 5.92%. So for the maturity amount is 45.30 lakhs even in the best case scenario. So if we assume a life expectancy of 80 years, then he receives the death benefit of 20 lakhs. So which is the sum assured payable under the whole life option. So the average returns at even the 8% scenario, which is the best case scenario, will be capped at 5.92% only. So as you can notice that in this policy, the calculated returns on bonuses have been below average in the past year. So you can get easily more returns than this even from your savings bank account. So basically, it doesn't make any financial sense to invest or stay invested in this plan. So now, as we know that this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome that we need, let us now have a look at other investment options which could possibly benefit you with the investment of the same amount of money and duration. So if your primary intention is to grow your money, then we recommend you invest your money in PPF or mutual funds to get a better value for your money. So let's say if you invest 89,160 rupees per annum in PPF for 25 years, which provides you with guaranteed returns of 7.1%, you will get after 25 years the returns will be 61,27,084 rupees. So the PPF returns is higher than the SBI policy. So it is also completely tax free. And in the case of mutual funds, let's say you invest 7,500 rupees per month or like 90,000 rupees annually through SIP payment in a good performing equity mutual fund that will generate 12% average returns. So after 25 years duration, your returns from mutual fund will be over 1.27 crores. Have you noticed this? You have the potential to grow your amount of 89,000 per annum up to 1.27 crores more, and only if you get to choose to manage your money wisely. So it depends on what kind of investment instrument you choose to invest in. In contrast, the SBI Shubh Nivesh plan has certain limitations like lower returns, lack of transparency, regulatory authority, and premium paying term is equal to the policy term. Suppose if you're choosing your policy for 20 years, you will have to pay your premium for 20 years. So there is no option to reduce your premium paying term in this policy. And whole life option. In personal finance, personally, securing life insurance coverage up to your working years or until major financial goals are achieved is generally sufficient. Opting for whole life coverage can lead to significantly higher premium without necessarily providing providing you with any proportional value. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the SBI Shubh Nivesh plan worth it or not? So this policy is to be avoided at all costs because the return from this policy are not enough even to beat the rate of inflation, let alone get your investment return back. And also please be aware of insurance agents who will try to fool you for their own agent commission. So as we have already discussed in this analysis, if you want to grow your money, then consider investing in mutual fund as the best preferred option. And if you avoid all the investment related risk, you can consider investing in PPF, which provides you with guaranteed returns of around 7.1%. And if you want a better life coverage, you can consider taking up a standalone term insurance policy, which will help you get a higher coverage policy even at an affordable cost. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.